Hello, now come to a different topic, that is Excel. I have told you something about Excel and some formula previous class. Now I will going to tell you something about subtraction formula, that is how to manage or how to calculate the subtraction with the formula. Okay. Now I will going to write in the middle that subtraction formula, which is the topic of today's class. Subtraction formula. Now previously I will merge it, then I will going to give it a different color, bold it, okay, yeah, bold it. Now I will start with these things. Firstly, I will going to put some data over here, that is, firstly I will come with the months, then gross salary, tax, then salary, net, that is net salary. Okay, I can write over here net or anything, net salary. Okay, I will going to put a January, February, March. Okay, now only the point of view of my teaching is just to make you understand what is the actual purpose of this formula. Okay, so that's why I am just lively typing all these factors, all these sounds in this video. Otherwise I can only make you understand what is this. Okay, now this is the question. Now what is the answer? What will be the question? This is the given part. What is the question? Salary, net salary. Now what is the formula over here? Equals to subtraction. Equals to 20,000, this one, enter. Okay, I forget to write this one. See, your answer is coming. What I have done, simply I wrote equals to sign. Okay, then I click in the first gross salary, that is the row C4. I put the minus sign. Then I came to take tax, the first row. Before that I have to give the bracket over here and D4. After that I complete the bracket, close the bracket, and simply I enter. Press the enter button. Now the answer has come. Now I can drag it and simply can find the answer. If you want, you can simply type it separately or individually. For easier method, I have just find out the first one, then drag it, and I get the other two answer. Okay, so this is the subtraction formula. Now if you want that how to get a multiplication formula, then there is also a solution. Multiplication formula. Like subtraction formula, I also came to multiplication formula, merge and center this one and give you a this one. Okay, now I will going to put the mathematical terms over here. Products, units sold, rate, and total sales. Total sales. Product 1, product 2, product 3. Units sold 1000, 2000, 3000. Rate 100, 200, 300. Now you have to find the total sale. Okay, so simply very easy method. Equals to units sold first one, then I have to give a multiplication sign, then rate, and before that I have to close the bracket. Don't forget to close the bracket. Okay, and enter. You will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer. Simply I will write equals to first bracket, units sold is 2, this one, you will get the answer. Okay, then I will going to again show you equals to first bracket, this one, into this one, first bracket close, enter. Okay, so this is multiplication. Now what is about division? Division is also a very easy thing. Division, division, division formula. Division formula, what is this division formula? Product, product, units sold, total amount, rate. Okay, product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, Now simply you have to write equals to first bracket. Now total amount big number, division sign, unit sold, bracket close, enter. You will get the answer. Okay, and now if you want the other, drag it and it will get the answer. Okay, so this is the thing. This is the subtraction, multiplication, division, and previously I have told you about addition formula, 3 methods. Well, this is all about today's video. If you like my video, please drop me a message. If you like my video, if you want to ask me any question, drop a message over the message option. Every message option is open for you all. If you have any queries, please drop me, send me the messages in YouTube channel. So today this much only. Thank you for watching my channel, watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.